What happened today? 1. Russia's Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov spoke with his Iranian counterpart Mohammad Javad Zarif over the phone to discuss the killing of Iran's military chief Qassem Soleimani. 2. Iran hoists blood red flag of revenge in holy city of Qom as thousands mourn Soleimani across the region. 3. U.S. President Donald Trump threatened to hit 52 Iranian sites very hard if Iran attacks Americans or U.S. assets after a drone strike that killed Iranian military commander Qassem Soleimani and an Iraqu militia leader. 3. U.S. President Donald Trump threatened to hit 52 Iranian sites very hard if Iran attacks Americans or U.S. assets after a drone 4. Groups of protesters took to the streets in Washington and other U.S. cities to condemn the airstrike in Iraq ordered by President Donald Trump. 5. Iraqi Prime Minister Adel Abdul Mahdi declared 3 days of national mourning for Iranian military commander Qassem Soleimani, Iraqi militia leader Abu Mahdi al-Muhandis, and others killed in a U.S. airstrike. 6. With shouts of death to America, tens of thousands of people marched in Iraq to mourn Iranian military commander Qassem Soleimani and an Iraqi militia leader. 7. Iraq's Kataib Hezbollah militia warned Iraqi security forces to stay away from U.S. bases in Iraq. 8. The United States-led military coalition fighting Islamic State said early on Sunday that there were 2 attacks near Iraqi bases housing its troops on Saturday night. 9. German Foreign Minister Heiko Maas will seek direct talks with Iran to try to de-escalate tensions after a U.S. airstrike in Iraq. 10. Saudi Arabia condemns the recent Turkish escalation in Libya and the Turkish parliament's approval of a troop deployment to Libya and considers it a violation of UN Security Council decisions. 11. Britain's Navy will accompany UK-flagged ships through the Strait of Hormuz to provide protection after the U.S. airstrike. 12. At least 28 people were killed in an attack on a military academy in the Libyan capital late on Saturday. 13. Fire threats eased in parts of southeastern Australia after a horror day of blazes that killed 1 man and injured 4 firefighters. 14. Over 100,000 protesters, many carrying the Indian tricolour flag, took part in a march in the southern city of Hyderabad, chanting slogans against Prime Minister Narendra Modi's new citizenship law. 15. China has replaced the head of its Hong Kong Liaison Office, the most senior mainland political official based in the Chinese-controlled territory. 16. U.S. stock market takes a dive as defense and oil shares soar after Soleimani's killing in U.S. strike. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more What Happened Today videos.